Okay. We have a guest all the way from Brazil today, Daisy. Want to go to the microphone?
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, Daisy, what is your last name?
Federico.
So, and you are from Brazil?
Yes, and it's Italian name, Italian last name.
Oh, you're from Brazil, but you have your Italian ancestors?
Yes. It's close to Venice, my grandfather.
And you are visiting the United States?
Yes, I like it. I like it here. Beautiful place. Very different.
How is the United States different from Brazil?
When we have to pay tickets, we don't have chance to explain, and we just need to pay. And you are merciful, and for this reason we like you. People in the world needs learn with you these situations.
Daisy, the message I try to give is that courts should have understanding and compassion. We are not here to punish people. We're here to do justice. And justice many times means taking into consideration the person that is before you and giving them some compassion and understanding, particularly if they have any needs, if they have children, if they are working families, if they don't have money, you know. If not, I would suspend their license. They wouldn't be able to drive a car.
Yeah.
And then they would drive illegally, probably, to try to earn a living. So I've said earlier that I don't do anything special. All I do is I treat people with dignity. Right? Everybody should be treated with dignity, understanding, and compassion. And that's what I try to do.
Nice.
Did I do that today?
Yeah.
Did I? You're going to judge me now. Here's the judgment. When you leave, someone's going to say, how do they treat people? And you're going to say?
I think you are very nice, very nice.
All right. Remember these words. Fair, fair, say fair.
Fair.
Yeah. Understanding.
Understanding.
And compassion.
And compassion.
Oh.
Nice. Thank you.
But we feel honored that you came all the way from Brazil and you're visiting us, so we want to welcome you to the United States. We want to welcome you to Providence, Rhode Island, and welcome you to our court.
Thank you.
We hope that you find this educational and informative.
This is a t-shirt we made for you, and you are in my city, in a good view of my city, and you are here. We draw you.
David, have it come up here.
I hope you like it.
Oh, thank you so much.
I know that you like black color. I can see. And you have this.
This is the front.
Yes, this is the front, and this is the back. This is the back, and you are here watching the view of my city. This is the front, and this is the back.
And where am I?
You are here with colorful socks, watching the view, the best views. We have nice buildings, the highest buildings.
Where are the socks?
The socks colorful are here.